Hey guys! These recipes are so easy that I only need to voice over certain details, so let's begin! So here guys, as you can see, the egg went all over the place, but this is just because the slice of bread I'm using is really small, but if you use a bigger slice of bread, then you will not have this problem. Okay, I know this is looking a bit messy, but don't worry, this is all fixable and you just wait and see. Guys, I placed this in the microwave for a couple of seconds, and this is why the cheese looks super nice and melted and delicious. Guys, in this video, I will only be using green bell pepper as my chopped veggie, and this is because this is all I had at home. But I will usually use mushrooms, I also use zucchini, you can use spinach, so just get creative and make it work. I wish I had a tray that wasn't as rusty that I could have used in this video, but oh well, this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for today. I hope that you love these recipes and that you try them at home. And just letting you know, down in the description box you can find the ingredients, directions, and also if you really enjoyed these and you want to print them out, I will leave a link that's gonna take you to a Google document, and then you can just click there and plug your printer in and you're all set. You can print it right away. So another thing I just wanted to clarify, Classy Files is not a cooking channel. These recipes go more towards the lifestyle side of this channel, and you know that I'm always trying to share with you whatever new thing that I am trying out and that has been really helpful. Yeah, I try to share those things with you, so these are one of the things that are that. And so it was really funny because I have 4 recipes that I do weekly, and so 2 of them are egg based, which are the ones that I taught you in this video, and then the other 2 are oatmeal based and they're healthier. And so I thought, well, I'm gonna make a poll to see which recipes they want to see. So I was actually much more excited to share the oatmeal recipes because they're really yummy and healthy. But guess what? You guys wanted to see the egg recipes, so that's why I made these. They're so really good. So anyway, maybe in the future I will actually do the other video that shows you the oatmeal recipes. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next video and have a great day.